Assalamualaikum. I am your host Faiza and welcome to my channel Techopedia. Okay, grade 7, as you know, in last lecture we have discussed about the charts. So this is the revision of your lesson. We have used this table for creating the chart. The first step you have to do is to select the complete table. How to select the table? I am writing the key here so it will easy for you. Shift plus arrow keys. Okay. You just need to select the text and then click on the insert tab. Here you find the charts group. In the charts group there are different kinds of charts available. First is column chart, second is bar chart, third is surface or radar chart, and there are a lot of charts. Which chart you have to insert, you just need to click on the drop down icon and then just select the chart you want to create. The chart will be created. There is no need to add the values in the chart. You just need to create the table and then just click on the chart, so chart will be created. Here you can see years are on the uh, x-axis and values are on the y-axis. We have discussed this in the class that categories are on the x-axis and values are on the y-axis. Hope so now there is no problem in this practical. If still anyone face any issue in this practical, so we will discuss in the class. Thanks for watching.